Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to show or display the ruler on your Google slide presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all I have to do is select the View tab at the top and then go down and select where it says Show Ruler. Make sure that's checkmarked. If it's not, you have to click on View and then just select Show Ruler, and then it should appear. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.